Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda HR-V's oil life indicator. This is a crucial maintenance step that you can easily perform yourself, ensuring your vehicle's system accurately tracks its service intervals. We'll go through the process step by step, making it straightforward and quick. You'll be able to complete this task in just a few minutes, keeping your HR-V's maintenance schedule on track and its dashboard clear. First, ensure your Honda HR-V's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. You should see the dashboard lights illuminate. Next, find the menu button, typically located on the left side of your steering wheel. Use this button to cycle through the options on your multi-information display until you reach the maintenance screen. This screen will show your current oil life percentage, often displayed as a number like 15% or 30%. Once you are on the maintenance screen showing the oil life, you'll need to press and hold the Enter button. This button is usually integrated with the menu button or located nearby on the steering wheel. Keep holding it down for about 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life percentage on the display will start to flash, indicating that the system is ready for a reset. This is a key visual cue that you are proceeding correctly. After the oil life percentage begins to flash, release the Enter button. Then, immediately press and hold the Enter button one more time. This second press and hold should last for about 5 seconds. You will then see the oil life indicator reset to 100% on your display. This confirms that the oil life has been successfully reset, and your HR-V's maintenance system is now ready to track your next service interval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.